Hello everyone and welcome to episode 7 of the Squatva devlog series. It's been a while since the last episode, so let's have a little recap before we get going. Squatva is an idea for a business that my friend and I have, which will be a workout app giving the users the ability to create and log workouts, share training programs with each other, as well as follow each other's progress for inspiration. We're creating it from scratch and we're documenting our process along the way. In the last episode, we got a really early MVP created, which allowed us to create workout templates and log workouts based on those templates. This was a major milestone for us, but there's still far to go. Just quickly before moving on, I've mentioned this term MVP a bunch now. And no, I don't mean Pat Mahomes. What I mean is minimum viable product. Basically what this means is creating the simplest product that has the least amount of functionality possible while still meeting the user needs. The reason software engineers take this approach is that you can really quickly build a prototype and send it to users to get feedback. And then once you decide if the project is a good idea, you can start to invest more time and effort into adding more features, improving the user experience, or improving the design. So right from the start, you aren't striving for perfection, but you're striving to get something working quickly that you can share with people, get feedback, and quickly iterate upon. And that's what I've done here. I've created a really basic, but let's be honest, very ugly app, and I've started using it at the gym. Each time I've used it, I've been jotting down notes on improvement areas, and that's going to help us define what we work on in the next iteration or development cycle. And now, after a few workouts, I have a long list of improvements. So I think it's time to get started on them. It's currently Friday at 8 AM, so let me grab a coffee and let's get started with some development before the workday starts. Okay, it's time for work now, but before I start, let's run through what I've managed to complete so far. I started with a bunch of easy fixes to improve the user experience. These are things like adding in the default exercises, scrolling to the bottom when a new exercise is added, and giving the user the ability to reorder the exercises within a workout. Good evening, everyone. It's Friday evening now, and my girlfriend is away for the weekend. So I'm going to swap out that coffee for a beer this time, and I'm going to use this time to knuckle down and work on the next feature. Currently, if you're in the middle of logging a workout and you click back, it cancels the workout and you lose your progress. I want to work on a system which allows the user to minimize the workout so that they can use the rest of the app in the meantime and then come back to their workout later on to finish it. This is just going to help people scroll social media much better. I've made good progress and successfully implemented it, but it's definitely going to need some improving in the future. It's a few days later now, and since I last spoke to you, spring has well and truly sprung. It is lovely here at the moment. Since I last checked in, I've been hard at work getting a simple UI built. This UI will probably change as the app grows, but I wanted to get something that was a bit more user-friendly, as my next goal is to get this released to some more internal testers, other than just me. Hopefully then we can gather some real-world feedback from them. If you want to sign up to be an internal tester, then please send an email to the address in the description of this video. As always everyone, I hope you enjoyed this devlog. Don't forget to subscribe to keep up to date with the progress on this app, and I'll see you next time.